Introducing 100 vegan recipes for kids. Unlock the delicious world of plant-based cooking. Calling all young chefs and culinary adventurers. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the vibrant and tasty world of vegan cooking with 100 vegan recipes for kids. Nurture healthy habits. Delight in a collection of 100 mouth-watering, kid-friendly recipes that are not only scrumptious but also packed with essential nutrients to support growing bodies. From energizing breakfasts to wholesome snacks, satisfying main courses, and divine desserts, there's something for every taste bud. Inspire creativity in the kitchen. Spark your child's culinary imagination with an array of exciting and easy-to-follow recipes. They'll love discovering new flavors, experimenting with colorful ingredients, and bringing their own tasty creations to life. Embrace a compassionate lifestyle. Promote kindness towards animals and the planet by exploring the benefits of a vegan lifestyle. Discover how delicious plant-based meals can be a powerful way to make a positive impact on our environment while still savoring incredible flavors. Make cooking fun and accessible, with clear instructions, helpful tips on vegan substitutions, and essential kitchen tools. This cookbook empowers young chefs of all skill levels to confidently create nourishing dishes in the comfort of their own kitchen. Perfect for the whole family, these recipes are designed to appeal to both vegans and non-vegans alike. Gather your loved ones around the table and enjoy the incredible flavors, health benefits, and shared moments that these recipes will bring. Order your copy today. Step into a world of culinary delights with 100 vegan recipes for kids. Whether you're a vegan family or simply curious about plant-based eating, this cookbook will inspire you to whip up delicious meals that are good for your health, the animals, and the planet. Unlock the potential of vegan cooking and create unforgettable moments in the kitchen. Don't miss out. Order your copy now and let the culinary adventures begin.